Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable sending crypto on Coinbase. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, go ahead, first of all open up your browser, type in coinbase.com and get into the official website, or you can directly access Coinbase as well. Then make sure you're signed in as well. And now if you go to this option of transfer on the top right, you will be able to find this option of send crypto and receive crypto right over here. But if it's your first time using and if you don't see that option, for that simply have to go and tap on your profile icon on top right corner, and then from over here tap on this option of settings. Once you have done that, from over here in these options, go and switch to privacy. And now in the privacy section, you're going to find this option of instant sends, which you can see allow other users to see that you use Coinbase and send you crypto instantly. So all you have to do is simply toggle this on. Once you have toggled that thing on, your changes will be saved. And when you go back and when you tap on this transfer option, you will find your section of receive and send. In the receive section, you will simply find your QR. You can share this or your Bitcoin address to them, and they can simply share you the crypto or the balance. So this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.